Did you know there's more to a mortgage than just getting the lowest interest rate? Choosing the right product can save you tens of thousands of dollars and get you into a home faster. I recently went through the process with Patriot Bank, and honestly, the sheer number of options felt overwhelming at first. I had to sit down and figure out what are the best Patriot Bank mortgage options and which one actually makes sense for me. My journey showed me their offerings are really focused on flexibility, which is why I want to break down my experience with their main programs, starting with the two classics. The foundation, conventional and government loans. Like most lenders, Patriot offers conventional loans. This is what you go for if you have good credit and can manage a solid down payment, maybe as low as 3 to 5% for qualifying loans, but ideally 20% to skip private mortgage insurance, or PMI. My loan officer explained that conventional often has the lowest overall borrowing cost in the long run. If your finances are strong, this is usually your best bet for competitive rates and straightforward terms. I considered it, but my down payment savings weren't quite there yet. That's why I dove into the government-backed loans they offer. FHA loans, this was a game changer for me. FHA loans are great if you have a lower credit score or need a smaller down payment, often around 3.5%. The qualification process is more flexible. The catch? You generally pay mortgage insurance premium for the life of the loan unless you put down a substantial amount, but the lower initial barrier to entry was a huge plus. VA loans, if you're a veteran or active service member, the VA loan is unmatched. Patriot Bank offers them with the incredible benefit of often requiring no down payment and offering highly competitive rates. USDA loans, if you're looking at homes in eligible rural or suburban areas, the USDA loan is another zero down payment option I saw available. Beyond the basics, terms and specialty products. Once you pick the loan type, you have to decide on the term and rate structure. This is where Patriot Bank gave me a lot of local control. First, fixed-rate mortgages. This is the most common option they have. Your interest rate, and therefore your principal and interest payment, never changes for the life of the loan, whether it's 10, 15, or 30 years. I chose a 30-year fixed because I wanted absolute payment predictability for long-term budgeting. Next is the adjustable rate mortgage, or ARM. These start with a lower introductory rate, fixed for a set period like 5, 7, or 10 years, and then the rate adjusts periodically based on market conditions. My loan officer said this is a good choice if you plan to move or refinance before that fixed period ends, as you benefit from the initial low payments. For my forever home, I passed on the ARM risk. Finally, a few specialty options I found particularly useful. Construction loans. If you're building your dream home from the ground up, they offer one-time close financing that covers the entire build process and then converts to a permanent mortgage. Renovation loans. This is a neat one. It allows you to include renovation and repair costs into your primary mortgage with a single closing, making it easier to finance a fixer-upper. Jumbo loans. For those buying higher-priced properties that exceed conventional loan limits, Patriot offers jumbo loans, though they typically require higher credit scores and a larger down payment. The biggest takeaway from my Patriot Bank experience was that finding the best option isn't about one number, it's about matching your unique financial profile, your credit, your cash savings, and your long-term plans with the right tool. Whether you need the flexibility of FHA, the stability of a fixed-rate conventional, or the no-down payment benefit of a VA loan, they have a tailored product. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.